The Bitcoin situation, it's really nothing new, you know? So if we take a look at what's being thought of over here, the CPI. Yes, the CPI. It's looking much better than what was previously expected. Now, if it's lower than anticipated, what does that actually tell us? Well, it signifies that there's no inflation, or more precisely, that inflation is indeed going down. Consequently, if inflation continues to decrease, then interest rates have the potential to follow suit and come down as well. And if interest rates can start to decline, then the price of assets, such as Bitcoin, can actually start to climb. And that, my friends, is precisely what we are observing right now with Bitcoin. So we saw it. We were right here yesterday. We were located here. And now we are heading towards this specific point, exactly as I had intended to mention. We are going to come and test the very middle of this channel. And in order to successfully traverse or break through the middle of the channel, we are going to require a certain type of vector or momentum. Let's go down and examine a smaller time frame. The indicator that you can clearly see right here, this is actually the Crypto-Quebec indicator. There were 4 days ago when I explicitly stated that at a certain price point, the lower boundary of this channel, you could realistically expect a rebound up the channel. I said that at a specific price point, the bottom of the channel on the Crypto-Quebec indicator was looking absolutely incredible, truly remarkable. It was, frankly, just amazing. The indicator that you're seeing right here, this is the Crypto-Quebec indicator vector suite, and also the Crypto-Quebec indicator suite, and also Crypto-Quebec Surfer, a brand new indicator, which I will be making available completely free of charge over on my Discord server. If you want to check out that indicator, you can go ahead and subscribe, by navigating over here to the Discord. And yes, it is entirely free, completely complimentary. Okay, so you can access the Discord. You can go into the discussion section, specifically in the